Hey everyone, welcome back to another tutorial from Crazy Gamer. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to change graphic settings in Horror Tale 2. If your game is lagging or you want better performance, changing the graphics quality in Horror Tale 2 is super easy. Whether you are on Android or iOS, adjusting graphics is quick and easy, so let's follow till the end. First of all, launch open the Horror Tale 2 game on your device and go to the right hand side from the main menu page. From the right corner, tap on Settings. Under Settings, tap on Graphics drop-down and choose your graphic quality. The game usually gives options such as low, medium and high. For best performance, good for low-end devices, you can select low. If you want a balanced performance, select medium. And if you want better visuals, then select high. After making your selection, the change will take effect immediately. Now you can head back to the main home page and continue your game. So that is how you successfully change graphic quality in Horror Tale 2. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.